Hello, my name's Keith Ross, and today we're going to build a straightforward two data type column graph. First we'll go to Insert, which brings up our ribbon with chart on it. Click on Chart, and it brings up a box of multiple different types of graphs that we can insert. We're going to go with a 3D column, stack column in 3D, it's called. Click on OK to select. This brings up our Excel spreadsheet. Now we enter along our categories here, the categories that we're going to be putting in data, which I've already entered here. And we go up to here. Let's just have a quick look. See how that's entered my categories along there. It enters them in real time, which is a real advantage. Now this graph is for crime statistics for Dunedin. Or nationwide. Don't worry that there are extra column here. We'll get rid of that as we go through. Our final category is sexual. Now you can keep adding categories, as many as you wish, up to however many you want. And that's quite fine. Okay, now we have all our data entered. Let's just minimize that and get it out of the way. And we have our stacked column in 3D. Now to change the look of it, we can click on any one of these and change the way it's displayed. Whether we want it with more or less information, or the title written anywhere, we can just go in to change the title to Dunedin Crime Statistics. Dunedin Crime Stats. It gives us our title. These are also different. It's a good, nice height, which makes the data really stand out. Now these are different colours that can be incorporated. Black background really makes it stand out. Now if we want to get rid of that column, we just go in, highlight it and delete it, backspace. That will delete. Now there's a lot of different tools that you can use here. Any of the ones that are highlighted as these will alter different parts. Chart title, none, centered, overlay, above chart. So you can put a title in there if it's not in your original one. And we'll go back to the none. Just leave it for whichever one we want. This is whether you want to show a data table or not. Show data table, it brings up our table, which also has column 1, which I think is unfortunate. So we'll just get rid of that. And if we want to bring up a data table, we better go into design, bring it up like this, because it's easier to manipulate it. Now the format allows you to change different aspects of it, different colours, position on the page, text wrap, shape fill. You can go with multiple different colours all through the spectrum there. If you want to, you can go to more fill colours. It's really now that really changes it quite radically. Let's go with shape fill and go with something a little bit green for the environment. Now that is a very standoutish graph. So you've got different chart tools here on different ribbons. You click on format, you get this ribbon, layout, brings this ribbon. Anything that's not highlighted like this has nothing to do with the chart, and therefore is not usable with this. But any of the other things, like shapes, if you wish to put in an arrow to highlight part of your graph, like that, then you can put in an arrow and highlight parts of it, or you can just remove by backspacing. Thank you, that's our lesson for today.